Hey guys, Jason here, Legendary Automotive. Today we want to talk a little bit about dash lights, check engine lights, faults, any issues you may be having. You visit our website and you can see that these are some of the things that we can take care of on a routine basis, whether it be check engine faults or tire light faults, and no matter how much air you put in that tire, that light will not go away. So behind me is just some of the technology that we have that can help us with diagnosing some of the problems you may be having, whether it be a fault light or a flashing check engine light or even a traction control ABS light. Whatever it is, we stay up to date on all the latest technology, making sure we are prepared to deliver when it comes to all the tools needed to repair your vehicle right the first time. That's how we are here at Legendary Automotive. When we bring a vehicle in to diagnose it and we repair that vehicle, we make sure it is repaired correctly the first time. That way you don't have to go to 3 other places or come back here 3 times and maybe we don't have the right subscription or the right software or the right technology. We have all of it. So if you have an issue, you've got a dash light on in the vehicle, whether it be engine or traction or tire light or whatever, even if you don't identify what the light is, bring it down to Legendary Automotive, let us check it out, let us win your business.